Yeah. Welcome back. Welcome back to Surreal Cycling. Doing a little forest bathing today. Take a look around. We got this beautiful tunnel of trees. Got the sunset coming down out there. Just take a minute. Flush it out. Level 2.
Okay.
Just find your rhythm. Level 2.
Okay.
Just get some good breathing in. Just relax. Find your rhythm. Once you find that rhythm, bring it up just a little bit. Let's go to a 3. A little more resistance. Level 3.
Okay.
Just want your body to just slowly get warm here. Got a short one today, so maybe 36, 8 minutes.
Okay.
Doesn't mean easy. Just means short.
Okay.
You can find a lot of truth in about 36 minutes.
Okay.
That's it. Take all the stress out of your hands and just work it up. Over. Relax. Feel your chest open up. Legs up and down, nice and smooth. And your legs start to speed up a little bit. Yeah. Feeling good? Got this nice outside air. It just makes you feel so good. Just breathe it in.
Okay.
Breathe it in. That's right. Level 3.5. Let's do some nice long jumps. Nice long extensions. 3, 2, 1, and up. And down.
Okay.
7, 8, up. And down. and up.
Okay.
There you go. Down.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, up.
Okay.
And down. And up.
Okay.
And down. Level 4. Level 4.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, up.
Okay.
And down.
Okay.
Let's accelerate. Up. Working our way up to about 70%. Let's work our way up to about 70%. And down.
Okay.
7, 8, up.
Okay.
And down.
Okay.
7, 8, up.
Okay.
There you go. There you go. And down. Let's go up to 75% this time.
Okay.
Level 4.5, a little more. A little more resistance. We're going up 16, down 16. Let's get the breathing a little more heavy. Let's go up to 75%. Let me accelerate. 3, 2, 1. Up. There you go. There you go. And down.
Okay.
7, 8, up.
Okay.
And down.
Okay.
7, 8, up. Let's stay up. Give yourself a level 6. Level 6. Let's climb at 75. Maybe go to 80. Let's go 75, 80. Let's climb. Level 6. Steady and smooth. Yeah. That's it. Nice rhythm. Just a nice rhythm. Level 6, nice light climb. 80% in your heart. Nice and steady. Take a drink when you need to, take a towel when you have to. Take a look around when you want to. That's the beauty. Have a seat. Level 6, 80%. Level 6, 80%. There you go. Oh, yeah. Body just opened up. It's ready. It's ready. Keep that rhythm. Keep it smooth. We're still level 6. We're still climbing. 80%. It's not too heavy. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. 1. Out of the saddle. Here we go. These classes are all about rhythm. Find the rhythm, listen to what's going on. It'll tell you what to do. You don't need my voice. Be in tune with what's in here, what's in here. Yeah. A little steeper. A little steeper. Level 7. Level 7. Let's keep the 80%. Just keep it. Keep it right here. Yeah, baby. Amazing. If you made it here, you've already won. You made it here, you won. It means you got your bike, you got your health. What else can you need? Rock and roll. Level 7, 80%. Have a seat. Steady. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Wait for it. We're going to 85. Level 8, 85, tempo pace. Wait for it. That's our springboard. That's what we needed. That's our springboard. Level 8, steep climb, 85%. Come on, 85%. That's it. Smooth and steady. We're gonna hit the ground running here. We're gonna go back. Level 5, 85%. Level 5, 85. Still the same breath. Keep going. 2, 1. Level 5. Quick feet. Super quick feet. Yeah. That's right. Come on. Level 5, 85. Tempo. Nice, good tempo. I like this one. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I need to turn it up a little bit. Yes. Level 5, 85. This is just a hard charge. Hard charge. Right through this beautiful tunnel. Beautiful. Unfucking believable. It's surreal. Truly surreal. Come on. Level 5, flat road, lot of wind, 85% your max, tempo pace, steady, clean, quick. Yes. 90. Bring it up 90%. Short little sprint here. Come on. Level 5, 90. Back to 85. Back. Still tempo. Still tempo. This is the work right here. Your body wants to break. Keep the 85. Come on, this is the work. Tempo. That's it. Control it. Stay relaxed, but quick. Be vigilant. Just like the music. It's driving, but it's still up there. It's still floaty. 85%. Yes. 85. Yes. Do a check-in. How's this breathing? How's this feeling? That's an 85. Let's take the 85 even longer. Let's go on a climb with it. Level 7, 85%. Your choice here. Choose your adventure. You can come up or you can come down. If you come up, be accountable. Be accountable. Keep the 85. Come on. Level 7, 85%. Keep it locked and loaded. Steady. It's just you and me and these beautiful trees. They don't care if you do 85%. You do. I don't give a fuck. You do. Keep the 85. Level 7. Moderate steep climb. And just let it flow out of your body. Tempo pace. It's hot enough where no one can come around and attack you. That's it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Keep it. Have some fun with it. Up, down. Just keep it steady. 85. That's it. That's it. Just check in with yourself every now and then. Just check in. Yeah. Do a check-in. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Keep it. Keep it. Yeah. Come on. Keep grinding the 85. Keep grinding it. Out here in the open, we're exposed. Stay accountable. Yeah. Level 8. Level 8. Steeper. Keep the 85. Keep it the same. 85. Up or down. Come on. Keep it on. Level 8. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Level 8, 85. We're gonna do some short punches from here. Short punches. Let's start right now. 3, 2, 1. Quick one, up to 90. Come on, little dig. Back down. 85. 85 is the base. Come on. Come on. If you turn all the way around, you can see the sun coming in, coming in. Yes. Let's do another one. 95%. Two, one, back to base. 85, recover. Come on, come on. Earn it, earn it. Come up, come up. 85, keep the 85. Your body's screaming for a break, I get it. I get it. Keep coming. 85. Level 9. Rest, full rest. Take a drink, take a towel. Slow grind, level 9. Look behind you. The light's coming right into us. Perfect, perfect. All right, level 8. Listen, listen, we know what to do. Come on. Bring it back to 85%, level 8. Bring it back to 85%. Come on. Here we go. Yeah. Bring it up 90%. 90%. Full sprint. 3, 2. Full gas. Back down, level 9, full rest. Level 9, breathe. But you gotta grind it out. Come on. Level 9, full rest, full grind. Come on. Yep. Level 4. Total opposite. Level 4. Get your rhythm back. Get your rhythm back. Excellent work. Excellent work. Come on. We're coming into the home stretch. Level 5. Flat road. '85. Level 5, 85. We'll do some short attacks tonight. 3, 2, 100%. Here we go. Short. Three. 85. This is the work here. Legs are shot. Keep coming. Come on. Here we go again. 3, 2, 100. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Feel it. 85. Come on. Come on. Dig it. Deep. 3, 2. Come on. Short one. Two. 1. Off. Full rest. Level 2. Get some rhythm back. Get the speed back. Come on. That's it. 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. Level 5. Bring it back to 85%. Yep. Come on. Level 5, 85. It's our launching speed. Just gonna boom! Shoot it out. Level 5, 85. 100% on this next one. Come on. 100% on this one. Come on. Hit 85. Come on. 85. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Here we go again. %, people. Come on. '85. 85. Come on. Come on, hang with me. Hang with me. Come on, get settled. 85% of your max. Level 5. Who fucking cares where we just were? You could have been at level 8 in space. Doesn't matter. Come on, level 5, 85. Get it back into the groove. Shake it out. Blow it out. Yeah. Come on. 85, level 5, you and me. This is the last effort we have of the night. When it's time, you're gonna go. Here's the thing. We've been doing this long enough. I'm not gonna tell you when to stop when we go. Listen for it. You can go 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go anything above 85%. Whatever you choose, you must stick to it or build on it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna tell you when to stop. Listen for it. Challenge yourself. Ride to it. Don't ride from it. Ride to it. Come on. Come on. Feel that? You can feel it. That's life. Life gives us signs everywhere. Level 4. Take a few minutes for yourself. Enjoy this space. Keep it moving. Let's get your breathing. Level 3. Level 3. Flush it out. Shake it out. Level 2. Excellent work, team. Excellent work. I'm honored to be here with you today. Simple. Level 1. Take all the resistance off. Let your feet just flop around until we get to a standstill. When you get there, stand up, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Nice light stretch. There you go. Yeah. Feel that. Switch. Nice light stretch, just light in the front calf. Hang on to the handlebars, drop your hips behind the saddle, nice big stretch. Come back. Come on up. I'd like to thank you from all of us here. It's Surreal Cycling. Unbelievable day, unbelievable place. Thank you for tuning in. Ride to your truth. That's all that we ask. I will always show up every single time for you. Press play, I'm gonna give you my 100%. I'm never gonna phone it in. Thank you. Have a good one.